In this session, you will learn how to tag elements with Smart Tag in a single step. Smart Tag automatically places the tags in an available spot in a 2D view, avoiding overlap with existing plan content. Our sample tag family displays relevant information about openings in a plan and can be customized to suit your specific needs. If you plan on using your own custom tag family, it's important to remember to use the ConVoid shared parameter file located in the ConVoid family library. The use of Smart Tag is comparable to Revit's built-in feature, Tag All. To begin, follow these steps. Ensure the desired tag families are loaded into your project. Open a 2D view once the tag families are loaded. You can rename and duplicate a family type and select the parameters that should be displayed in a tag. If you wish to tag a selection of objects in your current view, select the desired elements. If not, Smart Tag will tag all not tagged elements of a selected family type. Launch Smart Tag and select the models containing the elements that need to be tagged. If you have already selected elements before starting Smart Tag, the checkbox above will be enabled. Choose the element categories and family types you want to tag. For each opening type, select the appropriate tag family and specify the tag orientation. If you want to add a leader, enable the corresponding checkbox. To include specifications for additional family types, click on the plus button. Click OK to initiate the process. Smart Tag will now analyze the current view and attempt to find a free spot for each tag. You are now ready to continue the next session.